students can excel academically because we focus on the individual student. All teachers participate in professional learning communities. Each professional learning community focuses on a continuous improvement cycle by which they continually refine the curriculum, delivery of instruction, and the assessment of students based on actual student data.
Students are given opportunities in the classroom to excel just in the way that the teachers prepare their lessons. Every teacher is working to meet a child at their level, at their need. Sometimes that means they're extending learning if a student's already mastered that academic standard, and sometimes that means that they're providing additional support if that child just needs more time. Each lesson builds upon the one previously. They're given lots of opportunities to work with peers, to work with their hands, and to interact.